the entire, oh my God, the entire, let's get the hic out of my voice, the entire eye area, oh my God. Beauties, it's me Evie, and I am here with you with BoxyCharm Luxe. Yes, it's been another 3 months and we have a new Luxe box. It's this honking big box. The Luxe box always has a different card, and it just says Spring 2022. Okay, so a little facts about the Luxe box. It comes out every 3 months. It can be up to $395 worth of retail value. How you get the Luxe box is you subscribe to the base box and then upgrade to the Luxe. The base box, as we know, is $27.99. But on that 3rd month, a price of $59.99, which is the Luxe box, will be added. You will get the base box and the Luxe box that month. So don't think you're like getting cheated out of your base box. The Luxe box is 8 full-size items, and it never ceases to excite me, the products that we get in there. So let's jump into the products. And the first one is a Natasha Denona. Oh my gosh, this one is called Cupid. It is an eyeshadow palette. This is the one I've wanted. Okay, I just did a very unattractive high voice. This is the one I have been wanting. As you may know, we've gotten 2 or 3. I think we've gotten two at least. But this, oh, I've been eyeing this beauty for a while. I'm so excited about this. With 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics, this versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks from flirty to fierce, featuring rich copper browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundy corals. All 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortless to layer. And this retails for $48. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, this is me trying to be me in an adult colors, because it's got my burgundy-ish red color, it has my like pinky color, but it has the nice sensible brown. I love this. Super excited about it. You should go sign up for the Boxy boxes right now so you could possibly get that too. Our next product is from Juicebeauty. It is a stem cellular anti-wrinkle retinol overnight serum. Wow, that's a mouthful. We have had things from Juicebeauty before that have been lovely. This is a pump bottle. So it says this is clean, vegan, 2.5% bio-retinol and retinol serum with breakthrough scientific technology, encapsulating the vitamin in every primrose to assure stability and to avoid toxic chemicals. Wow. So this is promising to keep your skin looking young while you sleep. As the serum glides on smoothly and leaves skin feeling hydrated. This retails for $72. This product alone is more than the Boxy price. So keep that in mind. So the next product we have is from DryBar. I haven't personally used it, but I hear that it's nice. It says, meet the ultimate frizz fighter. Heat activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistance. Leaves a super glossy, silky finish without weighing hair down. Lasts through 3 washes and protects from heat. It says to put it on damp hair. It almost seems like it could be a detangler as well. So this is a multi-functioning product. This retails for $34. Our next product is a Lawless Beauty. Forget the filler, lip plumping line smoothing gloss. Okay. A clinically proven lip plumping treatment, an ultra shiny gloss with immediate and long-term plumping, softening, and hydrating benefits. In a universally flattering sheer baby pink shade, immediately lines are filled and the lip surface is smooth. With constant use, lips are proven to increase the volume and plumpness with fewer lip lines. This retails for $25. It's really pretty packaging. Oh, and it's just like a clear gel type situation. I do that to all my brushes. I get red on everything. I can see my lines, but maybe they'll go away. This retails for $25. Did I say that? Lovely packaging. Makes you feel like it's got a secret. Our next product is Ariana Clean Skincare. It's a radiant, brightening, dark circle eye cream. If you've watched my other Boxies this month up to this point, you're thinking, wow, they really want to focus on the eyes. We've got it covered, people. Our eyes are going to be good. This eye cream combines 95% natural origin ingredients to visually reduce dark circles after just 7 days. Supposed to brighten, hydrate, and plump the entire, oh my God. The entire, let's get the hic out of my voice. Can't take the country out of the girl, y'all. The next product is Give Them Lala Skin. Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask. I'm not going to open. This is soothe and soften your skin in a flash with the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask. Infused with natural calming ingredients with aloe, chamomile, and licorice root. This sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother in just one use. I'll be using this tonight, baby doll. This comes with 4 skin masks, and this retails for $30. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is the Complex Culture Beauty. It's a filter out daily blue light defense mist. This is interesting. I'm all about this. Moisturize, set, and protect all in one step with this multitask blue light defense mist. A botanical powerhouse clinically proven to protect skin from the harmful effects of HED blue light rays. This is vegan and cruelty-free and infused with mood-boosting scent to soothe your screen time. Simply close your eyes and spray anytime you need a screen break. Well, let's just have a screen break, shall we? That smells interesting. Interesting. I can't figure out what that smells like. Huh. Does it make me look better? I'm not saying that I love that smell, but it's unique. So this retails for $32. Okay, now this is what I was dying to get into because of the packaging. We got some booty action. Okay. Do y'all like when I do voices? Because in my natural life, I do voices all the time. And I'm just saying, if it's annoying, tell me in the comments. This is from Frank Body. Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. Feeling flat? Well, no, I'm not. Perky will perk you up. It's a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrating skin. Packed with caffeine to firm your favorite acids. I can't with this. Oh my god. Acai to give you a boost. Shea butter to hydrate. And longan seed extract to sculpt your booty. Also comes in a reusable coffee cup to rinse when you're done for coffee on the run. Okay, first of all, I don't drink coffee. I drink tea though. But would I really want to put a drink into something that held booty shaping? It is a cute cup. Oh my god. It's butt first coffee, it says. Well, my butt is far from being flat. So maybe I should pass this on to someone with a flat butt. Or well, you should just try it to see what it does. Yes, maybe so. So this retails for $19.95. I mean, that is like Frank Body. You're doing a cute little job with the packaging. I'll have to admit, even though I don't drink coffee. So that is the end of our Luxe box. This box retails at a whopping $309.95. It can also go up to $395. It just depends on the products that month. You get the Luxe box every 3 months when you are already subscribed to the Boxy base box. And again, the Luxe box is $59.99, and it's only every 3 months, and it's 8 full-size items. And remember, most of the time, just one product will pay for your box in your head if you're trying to, like, you know, talk yourself into getting the box. It just saves you so much money. Anyway, you get to find fun booty shaping. You get to find fun booty shaping products. Hair mists that remind you of something but you're not sure what. Lip stuff that will make your lips gorgeous. And eyeshadow palettes that you get so happy about you squeal. So that is the Luxe box for this month. Thank you, BoxyCharm. I had a blast reviewing, opening, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. And I look forward to next month's base box. Thank you again for gifting, and I hope you all had a great day. Thank you for watching. And remember, be your own beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up to date with me. And remember, I'm going to be doing lives on YouTube now, so if you want to catch that live, you better hit that button. Bye, y'all.